Okay, so this is the original headlamp deal. You can see that the edge right here fits on perfectly. This is the housing that I was talking about, the black housing, the original black housing. This deal in the rear, you could tell that the boot, there was a black boot that covers this that does not squish onto this black piece right here. So you can adjust the headlamp by these screws, this screw here and the screw on the bottom. So as you tighten one, it would flip this way. If you tighten the side, it would turn in this way. Okay, so this is that. This deal right here is the headlamp, the HID headlamp. You could tell that it's definitely too small on the edge. Put this down here. It shakes, it turns. It's tightened all the way, but so you could tell that it is definitely loose. It's a little too small on the edge ring. It turns, and it's actually tightened all the way. And you could tell that it shakes. If you pick it up, it is too small for the ring, the original ring that it comes in. As far as the rear goes, the boot does not protrude out in the rear. Instead, it's fitted into the black housing. So in that case, when you try to adjust it by the bolts on the side and the bottom, it wouldn't be able to move and adjust. So that's a big problem, and this ring deal is another problem. As far as the inside housing goes, which is this piece, it was trimmed down and fitted on. But then we came across this problem where the boot is actually sitting inside this black piece and this ring is too small. So that's the problem. It's actually a pretty big problem, because then now we can't adjust the headlamp when we bolt it on, and this headlamp can't be tightened down all the way because the ring is bigger than the headlamp itself, unlike the original where it fits in perfectly. And it doesn't spin or turn. This one does. So that's a problem, and hope we find a solution.